so welcome to our next week here. Let's go over a few things. All right, here with lesson 9, this is just a screenshot of basically the things you're going to be doing. This is not going to give you any information, but if you want to look through it, it's fine. It's nothing to do, really, just something to look at. All right, going back. There's a PowerPoint that you're going to look at on pronoun case. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. I would pay attention to this. Pronoun case is an area that students sometimes struggle with, so make sure you pay attention to it. You can download it. For some reason my internet's running really slow today, but it does load. I just tried it. Okay. All right. I'm going back to the lesson. There's the text in case you want to read what's on the PowerPoint. You can actually read the word text. That does open up. Here's some information on the readings. This is important. I would really look through this and click on the links. I am in IE right-clicking and opening in a new tab, and they all open up, every single one. Read through this very carefully. We're going to be doing the point-by-point method. We're not here. This is what you want to read, okay? The point-by-point pattern. We are not using the block pattern. So make sure that you, when you're looking through all the information that I've posted on the comparison contrast paper, that you note that we're doing the point-by-point method, going back and forth between your movie and your remake, or your TV show and the movie that was the counterpart to it, or your book to the film adaptation. Okay, so make sure that you're doing that. Okay, all of these will open up if you right-click and open in a new tab. All right, so those are your readings. This is a link that just some more grammar practice really on pronoun case. It's just going to come up as ComNet grammar. Again, I'm right-clicking, I'm in IE, and it just comes right up, okay? Just some more information. It is helpful, trust me. Read through this. Go through all of it. This is quite difficult, and this will be on your final exam. Take the quizzes. It's not going to hurt you. It's just for fun. Okay? Look at all the information. All right, going back. There's some exercises on pronoun case. Highly recommend that you do them. Again, they're not graded. You'll see this grammar lady pop up in a minute. And you can go ahead and take as many quizzes as many times as you want. And for just some reason, it's just taking forever. A little swirling ball. But you can see the quiz, but the pictures are not loading yet. But they will. I just checked them, and they will pop right up. For some reason, now it's taking forever. Maybe we're getting a weather system. All right, I'm going back. Scrolling down slowly. Come on. All right, so here you have another one, another activity. Again, this is just information, just for fun. It's not for a grade. You can go ahead and click here, and you're going to choose, and you'll get a smiley face in this box if you get it right or if you get it wrong. Okay. All right, going back. That one finally opened up, by the way. There's the lady that I was telling you about. It just took forever. All right, and then if we go back to lesson 9, and if we scroll down, all right, so those are all the links. Those are the exercises, choosing the correct pronoun case. Okay, so for discussion, okay, you're going to post your thesis, and you're going to respond to at least 3 class members to give critical and specific feedback. All right, so going back to the course, again, that's just information. It's not doing anything, and then I'll show you those discussion posts and your drop boxes for your grades, because that's what students are always concerned about, what's actually due this week. Everything I've showed you up to this point is just reading, 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 study, 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 understand, understand, understand. Okay, here is the actual quiz. So obviously don't take this quiz until you've done all of the exercises on understanding it. Here you have a Dropbox assignment. You're going to submit your introduction and outline, which should include obviously your thesis statement. Make sure that your thesis it has parallel structure, because you're going to be writing about 3 of those items. If you remember from last week, 3 of the items under the movie criticism, plot, acting, setting, whatever 3. Okay, so you have to have parallel structure. The other thing, here's some Norton Sampler information that you need to do. You're going to pick 5 of the 6 stories, and you're going to answer those questions fully. Really want you to look through this information. Make sure you're understanding it. Okay. And then you have the comparison contrast thesis forum. And here's where this is a discussion post, and you're going to put your thesis here, and then you're going to answer these questions for 3 of your classmates. Okay? And just go ahead and just write right in the box there, okay? Because it's a discussion board. It'd be easier for everyone to read. All right? If you have any questions, as always, let me know. All right. Have a great week.